we'll observe that 42 into 53 जो पहले देख चुके थे हम लोग. Okay, the product is 222.6. Okay, and you can just verify it by multiplying. Same way, 142 into 253. Okay, मैंने बस एक दोनों में hundreds place add कर दिया है. So the units and the tens places basically give you 2 and 6. So 26 हो गया अपना last two digits. Same way, if you add one more digit, okay, ये हो जाएगा 9109926. Again, the last two places is 26. यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या observe कर रहे हैं, guys? Everywhere in all these products, the last two digits of the individual numbers are remaining intact, isn't it? And that is why the last two digits of the product also is the same. Okay, again, just like the last digit, हमने एक और चीज सीखी यहाँ पे, that the last two digits of the product depend on the last two digits of the individual numbers. Okay, so let's solve a few questions based on this. First one is 1343 into 2154. Okay, इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Multiply the last two places directly. Okay, 43 into 54 gives you 2322, और the last two digits are 22. Okay. Now guys, एक important चीज हम सीखते हैं यहाँ पे. 49 raised to the power 1 कितना होता है? 49 होता है, right? 49 square I told you previously was 2401 ending with 01, right? अब इसको अगर हम क्यूब करेंगे 49 क्यूब, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमें दोनों बाजू मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 49 से, right? So the last two places will be 49 into 1. Okay, again ending with the 49, right? And 49 raised to 4 अब क्या हो जाएगा guys? Multiply both sides by 49. Okay, so units place and the tens place will become 49 into 49, which is 01 in this case, right? So यहाँ से हम एक बहुत important चीज सीखते हैं guys. For powers of 49, 49 raised to any odd number, the last two places are 49 only, and for any even numbers, the last two places are 0 and 1. Okay, let's solve a couple of questions based on this. First one, 7 raised to 7777. Okay, so we first split this as 7 raised to 7776. Okay, इसके पहले स्टेप में लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे 7 raised to 7776 multiplied by 7 raised to 1. Okay, now this, if you know, is nothing but 6 to the power 5. Okay, so basically this entire thing is nothing but 7 raised to some even number plus 7 raised to some even number multiplied by 7 raised to 1. Okay, the second important thing to observe here is, okay, since it is 6 raised to the power 5, अगर मैंने एक 2 की पावर कॉमन ले भी ली बाहर, okay, if I write this 7 raised to 2, वापस बाहर क्या बचेगा? इवन नंबर ही बचेगा, right? Because it's 6 to the power 5. Okay, अगर आपने एक 2 का पावर बाहर ले लिया, still you will be remaining, you will be having an even number left, right? So this entire thing is of the form 7 raised to 2 the whole raised to an even number multiplied by 7 raised to 1. So basically the entire thing is 49 raised to an even number multiplied by 7 raised to 1. 49 raised to an even number will always end with 0, 1. Okay, and that is why the last two places will be 49 raised to even 0, 1 into 7, which is 0, 7. As simple as that. Okay, the only difference is मैंने यहाँ पे actually value find कर लिया है, but this is not required at all. Okay, if you know perfect cubes and squares and the higher properties of numbers, things become really very easy. So you can write them as 7 raised to 7776 into 7 raised to 1. अब ये क्या हो जाएगा? As I told you, 7 raised to 6 power, right? The whole raised to 5. So basically ये even number ही होगा. Okay, इसमें से 2 बाहर लिया तो भी even number बचेगा, right? Okay, otherwise you can do this and check. Okay, the next question is 2007 raised to 2006. Okay, again I need to find only the last two digits. Okay, 07 ले लेते हैं खाली हम लोग, and from 2006 take a 2 outside. You will have 07 the whole square raised to 1003, or 49 raised to 1003. That is nothing but 49 raised to an odd number. Okay, we'll always end with a 49. As simple as that, right? Okay, so let's observe something now. Very important point. The most important part which I feel for last two digits is this. So 01 square is nothing but 01. Okay, 02 square is 04, 03 square is 09, 4 square ends with 16. Okay, but if you observe guys, 51 square also ends with 01. It's 2601 basically value. 52 square is 2704. Okay, 53 square is 2809, 54 square is 2916. Okay, ये हम लोग क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि whatever are the last two digits of 01 square, 02 square, 03 square and 04 square, the same last two digits will repeat for 51 square. Okay, then 52 square, 53 square, 54 square, right? Okay, आगे okay, 101 square का भी last two places क्या है? Basically 01 है. 102 square का भी last two places क्या है? 04 ही है. 103 square के लिए भी क्या है? 09. 104 square के लिए भी क्या है? 016, right? So again the last two digits are basically repeating, right? जो 01 square का था वही 51 square का था, वही 101 square का हो गया. जो 02 square का था वही 52 square का हो गया, वही 102 square का हो गया, right? Same way 04 square का जो था वही 54 square का हो गया, वही 104 square का हो गया, right? If you take it further, 151 square also ends with 01. 152 square also ends with 04. 153 square also ends with 09 and 154 square also ends with 16, right? यहाँ से हमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज सीखते हैं गाइस, जो भी लास्ट टू डिजिट्स रहेगा a स्क्वायर का वही सेम लास्ट टू प्लेसेस रहेगा 50 into 1 plus a स्क्वायर का, बेसिकली 50 plus a स्क्वायर का, और वही सेम रहेगा 50 इंटू 2 प्लस ए स्क्वायर का, वही रहेगा 50 इंटू 3 प्लस ए स्क्वायर का, राइट? ओके, एनी मल्टीपल ऑफ 50 प्लस ए, द लास्ट टू डिजिट्स विल रिपीट देमसेल्व्स। ओके, ये सब का प्रूफ हम देखेंगे आगे जाके व्हेन वी स्टडी द बाइनोमियल थ्योरम। ओके, बेसिकली लास्ट टू डिजिट सिर्फ एक ही जगह से यहाँ पे आ सकता है, वो है नथिंग बट ए स्क्वायर ओनली। ओके, बाकी सारे जगह में 0 0 आ जाएगा। we'll study all this, ठीक है? So same thing you can observe now, 0 1 square, 0 2 square, 0 3 square, 0 4 square का जो भी last two digits है guys, the same thing you can observe repeating for 49 square also. 49 square is 2401, 48 square is 2304, 47 square is 2209, 46 square is 2116. Okay, and again 99 square is same as 1 square, 98 square is same as 2 square, 97 square is same as 3 square, 96 square is same as 4 square, right? Same way 149 square is same as 1 square, 148 square is same as basically 2 square, 147 square is same as 9 square, 3 square, 146 square is same as 4 square, right? So जो भी last two places of a square है, 50 into 1 minus a square का भी same last two places रहेगा, same 50 into 2 minus a the whole square का रहेगा, same 50 into 3 minus a the whole square का रहेगा, right? So इसको हम लोग in a nutshell बोल सकते हैं guys, whatever are the last two digits of a square, okay, same will be the last two digits of 50n plus or minus a the whole square. Okay, अगर आपने n 1 लिया तो ये 50 plus a या 50 minus a हो जाएगा, जैसे कि हमने 51 का एग्जांपल लिया था, 51 square, 49 square, rather both of them are ending with 0 1, which is same as 0 1 का square का last two places, right? Okay, if you take a as 2, so last two places of 2 square was same as 50 into 1 plus 2, 52 square, or 50 into 1 minus 2, 48 square, right? So if you observe carefully, same 3 square के लिए भी same चीज आएगा, okay, 53 square and 47 square, okay, 103 square, 97 square, 153 square and 147 square, right? All of them, right? Okay, so we'll solve one question based on this, guys. Find the last two digits of 36 raised to 16. Okay, now this approach might be very very tedious, okay, and we'll again when we study आगे जाके रिमाइंडर्स वगैरह, तो हम लोग इसको सॉल्व करने का बहुत इजी तरीका भी देखेंगे इन केसेस के लिए, बट राइट नाउ इफ यू यूजिंग दिस कांसेप्ट, दिस क्वेश्चन कैन स्टिल बी सॉल्व्ड. So let's see how we do this. We write 38 raised to 16 as 38 raised to 2 into 8. Now 38 raised to 2 into 8 can be split as 38 square, okay, into 8, right? Basically 38 square the whole raised to 8, or 38 can be basically split as 50 minus 12, right? Now guys, यहाँ पे ये 50 minus 12 square है, हमने क्या सीखा था, 38 जो है ये basically 50 से 12 कम है, right? So 38 square का जो भी last two digits होगा will be same as 12 square का last two digits, right? अभी हमने सीखा है concept, right? जो भी a square का last two places रहेगा वही 50 minus a the whole square का भी last two places रहेगा, right? Okay, so basically 38 square का जो भी last two places है will be same as 12 square. Okay, now we know 12 square is 144, so 12 square का जगह पे हम लोग 144 लिख सकते हैं. So 144 में से 1 भी निकाल दिया, हमें last two digits चाहिए, right? So the last two places of 38 raised to 16 will be same as 44 raised to 8. Okay, we again split 8 as 2 into 4. Okay, and now 44 जो है ये 50 से 6 कम है, right? So 44 square का last two places will be same as 6 square का last two places, right? And 6 square we know is 36. So basically 44 raised to 8 का last two places is same as 36 raised to 4. Okay, again guys, यहाँ पे काम बहुत simple हो जाता है if you basically know powers of 6. So 36 raised to square जो हो जाएगा, 36 square होता है 1296, basically 6 raised to the power 4, and this is nothing but 96 into 96. Okay, इसका हम लोग shortcut भी सीखेंगे, multiplication of numbers close to 100. Okay, यहाँ से भी आपका काम काफी आसान हो जाता है. Okay, the answer directly will be 16 here in this case. Okay, but if you're still not sure, we can once again do the same process. Okay, 32 square will be same as basically 50 minus 14 the whole square, so it is same as 14 square the last two places, right, which is 96 the whole square. Okay, again which is nothing but 16. 96 is 4 less than 100, so last two places is same as 4 square, 16, right? Okay guys, so let's go on to the next part. The last two places of ab raised to n is same as ab raised to 20k plus n. इसका मतलब guys, the cyclicity of the last two places for any number is nothing but 20. So after every 20 powers, the last two digits will repeat. Okay, so for example, if you take 27 raised to 14, the last two places will be same for 27 raised to 34. Okay, 20 में सब मैं add कर रहा हूँ, right? After every 20 powers, the last two places will repeat. So 27 raised to 14 का जो भी last two places होगा will be same as 27 raised to 34. Then 27 is to 54, 27 is to 74, 27 is to 94, so on and so forth, right? एक और एप्लीकेशन, अगर मैंने आपको बोल दिया है कि 73 raised to 197 का हमें लास्ट टू प्लेसेस फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज we'll divide 197 with 20. Okay, when you do that, you will observe 197 is 20 into 9 plus 17, right? 180 plus 17 हो जाएगा ये. Okay, basically 73 is to 179 is nothing but 20 into 9 plus 17. Okay, 20 तक सारे के सारे powers will basically repeat, right? So 73 is to 197 का जो भी last two places होगा will be same as 73 is to 17, right? नेक्स्ट वन, ओके सेम थिंग, ओके इफ यू हैव 2167, ओके इसको भी हम लोग क्या करेंगे 20 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो व्हेन यू डिवाइड दिस विद 20 यू विल बेसिकली हैव 20 into, ये बेसिकली हो जाएगा 2 1 2 एंड 2 8 16, सो हो जाएगा 2160, उससे 7 ज्यादा है राइट. सो बेसिकली 194 रेज टू 2167 गाइस. ओके इसमें से 1 तो हम देखेंगे नहीं बिकॉज 100 प्लेस है. ओके इसका लास्ट टू प्लेसेस विल बी सेम एज 94 रेज टू 20 into 108, okay multiplied by 94 raised to 7, but ये after 20 cycles the same two places will repeat. So 94 raised to 2167 का last two places is same as 94 raised to 7. Okay, we'll solve one question based on this guys. 41 raised to 87, we have to find the last two places. Again we'll first divide 87 by 20, okay, and then we observe that 87 is nothing but 20 into 4 plus 7. So last two places of 41 raised to 87 will be same as 41 raised to 7 as such. Okay, 87 का जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, simply find the last two places of 41 raised to 7. Okay, again the previous concept we saw 41 raised to 7 को हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं guys, 41 raised to 6 into 41. अभी 41 raised to 6 हो जाएगा guys 41 raised to 2 into 3, right? Okay, which is nothing but 41 square the whole cube, right? A raised to m the whole raised to n is powers multiplied. So powers multiplied का मतलब ही क्या हुआ, a raised to m the whole raised to n, right? Okay, so writing this is 41 square the whole cube into 41. Now what we do is we try to find out the last two places of 41 square. Now guys 41 जो है 50 से 9 कम है, right? So last two places of 41 square will be as good as 9 square. Okay, 9 square we know is 81. So it's basically last two places being same as 81 cube into 41. Again same thing 81 cube into 41 करने के लिए, okay 81 square का last two places लिख लो. If you know 81 square generally जहाँ तक मुझे याद है 6561 होता है ending with 61, और 81 square का last two place find करना है. 81 is 19 less than 100, so 81 square का last two places will be same as 19 का square which is 61, right? So find the last two places by multiplying these three numbers, the answer will be 81. Okay, if you're not liking this method, कोई बात नहीं, we have a quick shortcut for this method, for this question, rather for these questions. So guys, जब भी we're supposed to find the last two digits of powers, okay, of numbers ending with a 1. Okay, we have a quick shortcut. Pay attention. 41 raised to 87 उसको लिखो 40 plus 1 raised to 87. Okay, now multiply the tens place 4, okay, with the units place of the power which is 7. 4 7 का कितना था guys 28, उसका units power ले लो और 1 डाल दो. The last two digits are 81. ओके ओके इसका प्रूफ बेसिकली बायनोमियल से आता है ये वाला पार्ट भी. सो व्हेन यू स्टडी बायनोमियल थ्योरम आपको ये और क्लियर हो जाएगा. ओके, moving on to the next part here guys, we talk about the last two digits of numbers ending with 5. okay, numbers ending with 5 बहुत सिंपल है. पहली बात तो एक चीज समझने की ये है कि सी if you have any number let's say 15, okay 15 का स्क्वायर गाइस क्या होता है 225. ओके 25 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है 625. ओके 35 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है, ओके 35 का स्क्वायर बेसिकली होता है 1225, राइट? सो बेसिकली इफ यू ऑब्जर्व गाइस एनी नंबर एंडिंग विद अ 5, ओके इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द टेंस प्लेसेस, अगर आपने आपकी पावर रखी है इवन, okay the last two places are always 25. okay any number ending with 5, okay if you're raising it to an even power will always end with 25. okay so अगर ये odd हो गया, अगर सपोज मैं 15 लेता हूं सपोज, okay and power अगर मैंने odd कर दिया then the value will be 3375. but if I take suppose guys 25, okay 25 का अगर हमने क्यूब किया है it is 15625, right? तो अगर पावर आपकी odd है, okay and the digits in the tens place is odd, then the last two places are 75. okay if your power is odd and the tens place is even, the last two places are 25. so अगर power आपकी odd है तो आपको tens place check करना पड़ेगा. tens place अगर आपका odd है last two places 75 है, and अगर tens place आपका even है last two places are 25. okay the last thing to observe guys, very special number 24 raised to n, okay any odd power is 24 and 24 raised to अगर n अगर even number है it's always 76. okay you can check. okay 24 raised to 1 तो 24 ही होगा, right? 24 अगर आप स्क्वायर करते हो if you know it is 576. okay now guys इसको वापस से अगर आप 24 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे you will have 24 cube and 76 times 24, so ये हो जाएगा basically 144, 14 carry 24 7s मेरे ख्याल से होता है 168 and 14 is 82, so ये वापस हो जाएगा 2 basically, right? so 24 raised to any odd number is nothing but 24, right? इसको वापस आप 24 raised to 4 करो, 24 to 24 again ending with 76, right? so यहाँ से हम एक चीज सीखते हैं guys, 24 raised to n if n is even the last two places are 76, and 24 raised to n अगर n is odd the last two places are 24. okay तो basically 24 raised to 2 होगा will end with 76 and 24 raised to 4 होगा that will also end with 76, right? Okay, so if you observe carefully, 24:4 कैसे मिलेगा guys? इसको square करके, right? Okay, when you square this, it becomes 76 square. That means 76 squares end with 76, right? Okay, again if you multiply it with 76, it becomes 76 square. So 76 cube also end with 76. Okay, यहाँ से आपको pattern समझ में आ रहा होगा धीरे धीरे, right? So last two digits of 76, okay, are always 76 irrespective of its power. Okay, and if you know this concept, and if you know 76 का square, 76 का square is 576, 5776, my bad, you can solve the next question very very easily. Okay, given A, B, C, and D are digits and AB square is CAAB, find the value of C plus A plus B. As I told you, if you know 76 square is 5776, so you can clearly observe this question का answer C is equal to 5, A equal to 7, B equal to 7. There's a very lengthy method, analytical method, जहाँ पे आप लोग A plus B the whole square का formula apply करें left hand side पे and compare with the right hand side. I'm not discussing that. Okay, if you apply this logic of 76 square, the question can be solved instantly. And the answer will be digits A, B, and C are 7, 6, and 5 respectively. Their sum is 18.